Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI S3 Pro, and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, for example using the dialer, it doesn't really matter. And now let's tap on the contact you'd like to edit. Now let's tap on this pencil icon in order to edit, and tap on the camera icon. And now we can either take a photo and your device will open the camera app, so this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you. Or we can choose a photo from the gallery, so I will pick to choose a photo. Now let's tap on the photo we'd like to use. And from this step we can adjust the size of this square, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area in this square is responsible for the look or how it will look like after saving the contact. So just position the face in the square just like you want to. You can of course rotate the picture, just use the switcher, so of course it's up to you how you want to set it, and if you are happy with the results, just tap on done. Remember to tap on save right here, and now we can go back, and as you can see it immediately appears on our contact list and you will be able to see it while all incoming calls from that number. So actually that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your UMIDIGI S3 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.